What's up, Warriors? We're out here in the Learning Garden today to take one of our at-home science activities and perform it live for you. So what our activity is starting a rock collection. It's one of the second grade activities for our take-home science packets, but it's an activity that's good for all ages, okay? Almost all of the rocks that we would find around where we live, Warriors, are going to be one of the three basic rock types, okay? Igneous rocks that form when magma or lava cool down, sedimentary rocks that form when little pieces of rocks and dirt get compressed and sandwiched together deep in the earth, and then metamorphic rocks, which is when a rock gets buried in the ground and gets heated up and squeezed and changes or metamorphoses into a different type of rock. The tools that we're going to need for our activity today are going to be some type of a container to keep your rocks in. I have a bucket, some sort of a tool possibly to get the rocks out of the ground, maybe a magnifying glass to examine the rocks a little bit closely, and some pencils for us to be able to make a drawing of the rock that we choose that we'd like to share maybe with our teacher or with the other warriors here on social media. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our tools and we're going to go for a walk to collect some rocks. Let's go do it. All right, Warriors, so we're here in the garden still. I found a spot that has some nice rocks, it looks like, in the ground, so I'm going to go ahead and start collecting some of the different looking rocks that we can see out here for our little collection. Sometimes it might be bigger than you think when you see a little piece of the rock sticking out. That's why it's important to bring a little tool possibly. Make sure you're watching out for insects, go-aheads, and other little critters as you're out here in nature working. Once you get, I don't know, a handful of rocks, 6, 7, 8, 10 rocks, 11 rocks, then it's time to head back into your spot and let's sort them out. Let's go. All right, once you're back at home, Warriors, what you're gonna do, get your rocks out on the table. You're gonna maybe use your magnifying glass to look at them closely. Look at some of their properties, their physical characteristics. How do they look? What color are they? How big are they? Their texture, how they feel. Whatever you decide is important about your rocks, I want you to try to put them into different groups based on the things that you've observed about them. Just do it really quickly. If you're interested in going online and learning more about the three types of rocks and how real scientists classify them, that might be able to help you sort your rocks more accurately, but any way that you want to come up with to sort them is fine. Once you've sorted them into your 2 or 3 groups, what I'd like you to do, Warriors, pick one rock that you think is interesting or cool looking, and that is going to be the rock then that you're going to use with your worksheet, or the rock that you would simply take a picture of and share with us on social media. And there's lots of ways, Warriors, that you can display your rock collections. I have a rock collection at my house. I'll share a picture with you. You could put your rocks in a planter. You could put your rocks on an old plate and put them on a picnic table outside or in your yard. You could put the rocks on a windowsill or on a bookshelf in your room. There's lots of ways that you can display the neat rocks that you start to collect. So hopefully it's something that you enjoy. It's something that, if you like, you could go to college and study all about rocks, and it's something that people enjoy to do all the way into adulthood, Warriors. So let's see some of your rock collections if you get a chance. All right, thank you.